In this video, we will guide you through setting up and verifying your company profile on the platform. After verifying your email, the system will automatically redirect you to the setup page each time you log in until it's completed. This page lets you customize how your company appears on the platform, so it is important to enter accurate and valid information. Fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. You won't be able to submit the form or click the submit button until all required fields are filled in. Please note that apart from your email and uploaded documents, other details can be edited later, but they must be accurate for successful verification and account approval. Step 1. Explore the setup page. When you arrive on the setup page, you will see a tour guide. This guide helps you understand each module and section step by step. You can follow the guide immediately or revisit it later by clicking the tour icon at the top of the page. The tour ensures you understand the modules, progress, and the information required for completion. Step 2. Enter company information. Now, begin by entering your company details exactly as they appear on your CAC certificate. Type your company name, CAC number, BNCL, and the approval date shown on your certificate. Next, upload a scanned copy of your CAC certificate. The system accepts both PDF and image format. You can preview your uploaded document or replace it if necessary. If your company belongs to a professional association, for example, as an architect, lawyer, or estate surveyor and valuer, you can also upload your membership number and membership certificate. This step is optional but helps your company earn a verified tag on the platform. Step 3. Provide address details. Select your state, local government area, and city where your head office is located. If your city is not listed, choose the closest city to your area. Then enter your street address, including the building name, street name. Do not repeat the state, local government, or city since you've already selected them. If your address text closely matches a city or area name, the system may reject it. In such cases, you can use a hyphen to connect the words. To verify your address, upload a recent utility bill like electricity or water bill. This helps confirm your company's location and builds trust by marking your address as verified on the platform. Step 4. Contact and branding information. Enter at least one official company phone number, not a personal number. You can add up to 4 in total. Next, upload your company logo in a landscape format with either a transparent or white background for a clean professional look. Your logo is a required element of your company profile and an important part of your branding. The system will then automatically generate a website URL based on your company name. You can edit or shorten this link to make it more professional. Once the chosen URL is available, you can proceed. Step 5. Director's profile. In this section, provide the personal profile details of a company director or founder. Additional profiles can be added once your account is approved. Enter the full name, title, years of experience, and a short biography. You may also upload a profile photo or choose an avatar. If you need help writing your biography, click the AI assistant icon at the end of the input field. Start your prompts with something like, create a professional real estate biography about me. Then include your name, role, experience, and achievements. The system will generate a professional summary for you, which you can review and edit to your preference. Step 6. Review and submit. Before submitting, review all the details you've entered. Ensure every mandatory field, especially those marked in red, is complete and accurate. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Submit. The system will automatically generate your company software, website, and database for internal management. After submission, you will receive an email notification confirming that your setup has been received. Your account status will be marked as pending approval until the verification process is complete. If any information is missing or invalid, your account may be rejected. However, once approved, you will gain full access to all modules and features of the platform. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. For more details, visit our website at www.ourproperty.com.ng. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.